And one of the things that she saw, hey everybody, it's your old pal Wood Doofus here. You know, I was sitting at the house the other day and my wife came home from the Hobby Lobby. She was looking for decorations, and specifically she was looking for decorations for the kids' bathroom upstairs, which she wanted to do with a nautical theme. So she had like this ship wheel and everything that she was going to put on the wall. But one of the items that she did not get, she said, was a whale. And she said it cost $40. One of my sons said that, you know what, I think that Dad can make that whale. So this whale at Hobby Lobby costs $40. And I'm going to try to see if I can't make that for $0 out of stuff that I got sitting around the shop. So let's try it out. I've had this board sitting around that has a pretty bad cup in it. It was on the markdown rack at the Home Depot. So I think this might be a good project for this piece of material. All right, so here is the final product of the whale that I made. I'll go ahead and maybe I'll put the picture up here of the Hobby Lobby whale just so you can see them next to each other. It's not quite as bright in the colors as the Hobby Lobby whale is, but everybody in the house says that this looks better the way I did it. The little eye was just made out of stuff that I found in my junk drawer. I don't even really know what that thing is. If you like this whale and you like what I do on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this, and as always, don't be afraid to be a doofus.